Special test February 2024 Suryapet paper. So here in this video I'll explain part B, which consists of 20 questions. Each question carries like 1 mark. Here the first question, if you'll see, which of the following is not a quadratic equation? Not a quadratic equation. So first one, if you'll take x, so here the first question is x plus 2024 into x minus 2024 equals 1947x. Now see here, x times x is x square plus x into minus 2024, or you can use the identity here a square minus b square. Here if you'll observe this is in the form of a plus b, this is in the form of a minus b. So a square minus b square equals 1947x. So here x square, here 2024. So here you have x square in the equation because we don't have any other x square, so that it can get cancelled. So x square minus 1947x minus 2024 whole square equals 0. So here the degree is 2. It is quadratic equation. Next one. Second one, if you'll see, x minus 5 whole square equals 1729x plus 6174. So here a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. So a is x, b is 5. So 1729x plus 6174. Here also see we have x square. So this is also quadratic equation because x square is not getting cancelled, so we have in the equation. So 1729 x plus 6174. So this is also a quadratic equation. Next one, C. If you will see the C option, x square plus 5x minus 1729 equals x plus 2 into x minus 3. So x square plus 5x minus 1729. Here if you take x and if you multiply x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 6. Here x square and x square is getting cancelled. So here the degree is here, it's 1. So it is a linear equation. So it is not a quadratic equation. So the correct option is here C. The last one also just I'll explain. X plus 2 whole cube equals x cube plus 2x minus 10. So here a plus b whole cube is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So a cube 3a square b 3ab square plus b cube equals x cube plus 2x minus 10. See here x cube and x cube is getting cancelled. 3 times 2 is 6x square. 2 square is 4. 4 into 3 12x plus 8 minus 2x plus 10 equals 0. If we'll transpose this plus 2x towards LHS, minus 2x minus 10 will become plus 10. So 6x square plus 12x minus 2x. So you'll get 6x square plus 10x plus 18 equals 0. Degree is 2. So this is also quadratic equation. Nature of the roots of quadratic equation. Here the quadratic equation is x square minus 5x plus 7 equals 0. So if we'll compare with the standard one, ax square plus bx plus c. So here a value is 1, b is minus 5, c is 7. So to find the nature, we need to find discriminant b square minus 4ac. If it is greater than 0, real and distinct. If b square minus 4ac, if it is equal to 0, real and equal. If b square minus 4ac, if it is less than 0, no real roots are imaginary. Now if I'll simplify this, minus 5 b square minus 5 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 7. So 25 minus 28, which is minus 3. So clearly b square minus 4ac is less than 0. So no real roots. No real roots. So the correct option is C. The product of the equation, the product of the roots of the equation x square minus 5x plus 10 equals 0. See, if we'll compare with the standard one like ax square plus bx plus c. So here a is 1, b is minus 5 and c is 10. And product of the zeros is c by a. So 10 by 1, which is nothing but 10. So the correct option is A. Next question. If 1 is a root of the quadratic equation. So again here x square plus 5x plus k. If 1 is a root, so 1 square plus 5 into 1 plus k equals 0. 5 times 1 is 5. So 1 plus 5 plus k is 0. So 6 plus k equals 0. K equals minus 6. So the correct option is B. Next one. In a progression, there are 2024, like 2024 terms we have. 2024 terms. Then 296th term from the last. Now for example, see how to do it. For example, if there are like 10 terms, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm taking for example. So you want from the end, you want fifth term. So from the end, if you count fifth term, so see this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, from the end fifth term is sixth term from the starting. So what we do is, if you want fifth term from the end subtract 5, whatever you'll get result, add 1. So 10 minus 5 plus 1, so sixth term. In the same way, here from the end to 96th term. So what you'll do is, from total take out 296. So 2024 minus 296. So 2024 minus 296 is 1728. So add 1 for that. You'll get 1729. So 1729th term is 296th term from the last. So correct option is D. Sum of n terms of an AP. Sum of n terms of an AP is Sn equals n by 2 into A plus L, where L is the last term. So the correct option is D. Next one. The distance between origin and 6, 8. So see, this is x1 by 1, x2 by 2. So under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So 6 minus 0 whole square and 8 minus 0 whole square. So 6 square is 36, 8 square is 64, root 100, which is 10. So the correct option is C. See, if we are finding the distance from origin x comma y, you can, one more point is, suppose if it is origin, directly you can do x square plus y square also. Next one. Center of a circle whose endpoints of a diameter are. So endpoints are given. We need to find the center. Now see here. So A and B are given here. A is 10, 20 and B is minus 2, minus 8. So here midpoint is, center is nothing but midpoint of the diameter. So x1 plus x2 by 2 y1 plus y2 by 2. So 10 minus 2 by 2, 20 minus 8 by 2, because plus into minus minus. So one is 8 by 2, the other one is 12 by 2. So which is nothing but 4 comma 6. So the correct option is A. Next one. Area of a triangle whose length of the sides are 13, 12 and 5. So see here, 13, 12, 5 and are Pythagoras triplets. A, B, C. Hypotenuse is 13, the other two sides are 5 and 12. So because how Pythagoras triplets, if you arrange in ascending order and square all of them, like 25, 144, 169. If you add the first two, if you get the third one, it is Pythagoras triplet. So hypotenuse is the highest number, that is 13. So now area is half base into height. Base is 5, height is 12. 2 times 1, 2 times 6, so 30 centimeter square. So the correct option is D. Don't get confused with this one. It is units are centimeters, but they are asking area, so centimeter square. A circle is inscribed in triangle ABC as shown in figure. AR is 5 centimeters, BP is 7 centimeters, CQ is 10. Now here the length of the tangent drawn from external point will be equal. So AR will be equal to AQ, CQ will be equal to CP, so this is also 10, and BR will be equal to BP, so this is 7. So total AB is 12 centimeters, BC is 17 centimeters, and AC is 15 centimeters. So to find the perimeter, 12 plus 17 plus 15. So here 17 plus 15 is 32 plus 12, which is 44. So 44 centimeters is the perimeter. Correct option is C. Next one. The angle between two radii of a circle is 135. So this angle is 135. So angle between the tangents. So see, the angle between at the center and joining by the point of contact to the center and angle between the tangents are supplementary. So these two angles, this one and this one, are supplementary. So 135 plus x is 180. So x is 180 minus 135. So x is 45 degrees. So correct option is D. Next one, the length of a tangent to a circle from a point 17 centimeters from its center is 15. So length of a tangent is 15. Find the radius. So angle is at A. Angle OAP is 90 because angle between radius and tangent. So if I'll apply Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square OP square equals OA square plus AP square. So OP is 17 square, OA is radius, AP is 15. 17 square is 289, 15 square is, if I will transpose, minus 225 equals R square. So 64 equals R square. So R equals root 64, which is nothing but here 8 centimeters. So radius is 8 centimeters. Correct option is A. The ratio of surface area of spheres is 9:16. Then the ratio of their volumes. See, surface areas of a sphere is 4 pi r1 square by 4 pi r2 square is 9/16. 4 pi cancel. So r1 by r2, if I write whole square, which is 9/16. So r1 by r2 is root 9/16, which is nothing but 3/4. Now we need to find the volumes ratio. 4 by 3 pi r1 cube by 4 by 3 pi r2 cube. So r1 by r2 whole cube I can write as r1 by r2, r1 cube by r2 cube I can write as r1 by r2 whole cube. So 3 by 4 whole cube, which is nothing but 27 by 64. So 27:64 is the correct option. Correct option is C. The number of balls of radius 1 centimeter each can be made from a solid sphere of lead of radius 8 centimeters. So number of balls, so volume of sphere equals how many small balls, like here number of small spheres can be made from a solid sphere, volume of sphere, you can mention here radius is 8, here radius is 1. So whenever they are asking like number of, there you can write just n. So n into 4 by 3 pi r cube, here 4 by 3 pi r cube, capital R to show the difference. 4 by 3 pi, 4 by 3 pi cancel. N into 1 cube, and here it is 8 cube. 1 cube is 1, 8 cube is 512. So number of small spheres, a number of balls of radius 1 centimeter will be 512. So the correct option is D. A pole and its shadow have same length. The angle of the ray makes with the earth at the same time. See, a pole and its shadow are of same length. So if it is x meters, if I'll consider this also x meters shadow, then angle which it makes with the ground. So I'll use the ratio tan theta, opposite by adjacent. Opposite is x, adjacent is also x. So tan theta is 1, which I'll get for like tan 45. So theta is 45 degrees. Correct option is C. Next, the angle of elevation of sun increases from 0 to 90. Elevation was, see, suppose first here it was like less, 0 means horizontal line only, but it increases. So as it increases, so suppose see, the length of the shadow will get decrease. I'll draw one more diagram so that. So here, suppose take angle 10 degrees, it will be over here. But if the length of the, if angle increases, means this point P will come over Q. The length of the shadow gets decreases. As the angle increases, the length of the shadow decreases. Length of the shadow decreases, so correct option is B. A kite is flying at a height of 100 meters above the ground. 100 meters above the ground. The inclination of the string with the ground is 30 degrees. Then find the length of the string. So I need to find AC, the length of the string. So we have opposite, I need to find hypotenuse, so I'll use sin theta. Sin 30 is opposite by hypotenuse, which is nothing but 100 by x. Sin 30 is 1 by 2 equals 100 by x. So if we'll cross multiply, x equals 200 meters. Correct option is C. The probability of getting a red queen from deck of cards. See, red queen, so total cards are 52. It is divided into 4 suits. Diamonds, hearts, spades, clubs. Spades and clubs are in black color. Diamonds and hearts are in red color. So in this, the queen, like see, face cards are like king, queen, jack. So here also king, queen and jack. So here we have like red color queen, we have like 2. So probability of red queen Number of favorable outcomes, which is 2, total is 52. So 1 by 26, correct option is B. If the probability of raining on a certain day in February in Suryapet district is 0.18, then probability of not raining. So probability of an event plus probability of a not event is 1. Event is 0.18 plus not event, which is 1. So probability of not event is 1 minus 0.18. 1 minus 0.18 is 0.82. 0.82. So 0.82, see if in hurry if you'll see the option is not there, but try to write in fraction. 82 by 100. On cancellation you'll get like 41 by 50. So the correct option is C. If 3 coins are tossed at a time, the total number of possible outcomes. See, if 3 coins are tossed, see, I told you can write like this easily: 4 heads, 4 tails, 2 heads, 2 tails, instead of searching. Then 1 head, 1 tail, 1 head, 1 tail, head, tails. Now see, total outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total outcomes are 8. Correct option is C. See, for coins, if it is 1 coin, like 2 power 1, which is 2 outcomes, 2 power 2, which is 4. For 3 coins, 2 power 3, which is nothing but 8. So the formula for number of outcomes for coin is like 2 power n. N is number of coins.